Hey guys, here's your guys' homework on combination of functions, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys a couple of these so that you just guys get used to this, okay? So for number one, we have f plus g of x is equals to something. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna add our gf function plus our g function, which is 4x squared minus 5x plus 2. So that's f plus g function, you guys. Now, you guys have to, because it's plus, you drop the parentheses down, and then you guys just pretty much combine like terms from here. So, x's seconds combine, the x terms combine, and your guys' constant term combine. So we're gonna have 7x to the second minus 3x plus 3. And there's our function for the first one. Okay. Now for f minus g of x, you guys, you have to subtract the functions from each other. So the f function first minus the g function, you guys, which is 4x squared minus 5x plus 2. And because there's a minus sign, we just gotta distribute this minus sign to each one of these terms. 3x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 4x squared plus 5x minus 2. And then we combine like terms. The x to the seconds, the x terms, and your guys' constant terms. So we're going to have negative x squared. 3 minus 4 is negative x squared. 2 plus 5 is 7x. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So there is 1 and 2, okay? Just so that you guys get a feel. Here's 5 and 6. All right, you guys. So this is f times g of x. So we have to multiply our f function, which is 5x minus 2, times our g function, which is 3x plus 4. So this is where we do a double distribution, you guys. Multiply 5x times 3x, 15x to the second. 5x times 4 is 20x. Negative 2 times 3x is negative 6x, and negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. The only terms we can combine, you guys, are our x terms, so it's going to have 15x to the second plus 14x minus 8. So that's for number 5. But number 6, you guys, that asks for what is f times g of 3. So we have our f times g of x function, which is this. So we're going to plug in 3 into that function. So we're going to have 15 times 3 to the second plus 14 times 3 minus 8. 3 squared, you guys, is 9. 14 times 3 is 42 minus 8. 15 times 9 is 135 plus 42 minus 8, which is 177 minus 8 for 169. Let me just verify that that is our answer. And yep, number 6 is 169. Okay. Okay, let's try 9 and 10. So for 9 and 10, you guys, okay, so we have f plus g of 3. But in order to calculate that, we need our f plus g of x function first. So it's f function, which is 3x squared plus 2x minus 1, plus our g function, which is 4x squared plus 3x minus 3. So we can drop the parentheses, you guys, because it's addition, and then we can combine like terms. X to the second powers can combine, the x terms can combine, and your guys' constant terms can combine. So we have 3 plus 4, the blues, right? 7x squared. 2 plus 3, the greens. 5x. Negative 1 minus 2, you guys, is negative 4. So that's our f plus g of x function. Now, we need to solve for when x is 3, right? So f of g of 3, you guys, everywhere we see an x, it now is a 3. So 7 times 9, you guys, plus 15 minus 4. 63 plus 15 minus 4, which is 74. So number 9, the value is 74. Number 10, so we're trying to solve for f minus g of 2. But first we need the function f minus g of x. So our f function is 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 minus our g function, you guys, which is 4x squared plus 3x minus 3. So since we have a minus sign, we can distribute that to each one. So we're going to get 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 minus 4x squared minus 3x plus 3. And then combine like terms. So combine the x to seconds, combine the x terms, and combine your guys' constants. So purple, 3 minus 4 is negative x squared. Blues, 2 minus 3 is minus x. Negative 1 plus 3, the greens, plus 2. And now let's calculate what's f minus g of 2. Everywhere we see an x, it now is a 2. We're going to get negative 4 minus 2 plus 2, which is negative 4. So that's our answer for that one. And let's just make sure 10 is negative 4, which is correct. Okay. So those should help you guys out for the most part. And if you guys have any questions, you guys can always ask in class tomorrow. Okay, good luck everyone. Peace.